Hey, what's up guys on YouTube? I was just creating some really beautiful nebula scenes in X Particles and Cinema 4D. Just look how crazy this is. And if you want to know how I did all of this cool stuff, I think it is time for you to check my X Particles sci-fi training, alright? So chapter 1 I already released yesterday, how to build an asteroid on YouTube. So in chapter 3 we will continue to build this asteroid belt with it. So you already know how to turn spheres into rocks like this one, but now I will show you also on Patreon how to build this beautiful asteroid belt effect. It just looks amazing. And now, today I just finished a tutorial on building beautiful nebula, star patterns and stuff like that. So slowly everything is coming together. So if you are interested in X particles and science fiction, man, I need to tell you, my Patreon is the right place for you. Thanks to you, I always feel motivated when I get up in the morning and just build the good stuff. I just want the best training for you guys, okay? It's just my personal goal. Yes, so I'm really excited about my science fiction theme here. Of course, we will also build beautiful spaceships and space stations, planets and all the good stuff. This is just a really simple example, but believe me, we can get way more complex here. So yes, man, thank you so much for listening. Maybe I just thought maybe nebulas would be an interesting topic for you guys. So see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye guys.